Hello everybody, this is Jason breaking down 5 stocks and reviewing one. These stocks are all at the top of my watch list right now. Possible trades in the short term. I'll let you know if I pick up a position. Right now, CBP trading between $2 and $1.60 to $1.70. I'm looking to pick up shares in around this $2 range if it breaks, or down here around this 160 range. I think this is good support. What I like is the overall volume is starting to turn on this stock. You can see a period of selling in through here, and now you're starting to see the bulls outweigh the bears. So still a little bit of indecision as to where it's going, so that's why it's on watch, but I think CBP is going to be a trade for me in the short term. GASS, a little high price stock. I'm just not sure where the bottom is on this one yet, so watch GASS. I think I'll look to pick up shares in around the 530 range. You can see support in through here. I'm not sure this is support yet. So GASS, I think the overall trend is going to be up on this one. Take a look, add it to your watch list. BFLY, really like what I read on this one. Took a look at the company filings. What I don't like is the volume in through here. However, it's making higher lows over a long period of time, and it's a pretty nice price penny stock at $3 a share, which means it could be consolidating for something bigger. So I might pick up shares on dips, and what I mean by that is things like this 268 low right here. Pick up shares in and around the 270 range and look to ride any momentum that might come into the company if they release really good news in the future. So these higher lows at around $2 to $3 a share lead me to believe that BFLY could be setting up for something big in the future. So I'll consolidate a small position. No shares right now. I'll let you know when I pick some up. OPK. OPK got ahead of itself, did really well for us. This is a previous alert. I like it. The overall trend is up, and I think it's going to continue. So I'll look to pick up shares in and around 320. Let's just say the low $3 range. I'll be looking to pick up shares. I'm not convinced that this is support yet. You can see this bottom right here, and it's testing it right now. I'm not sure that that's going to hold, so I'm looking to trade this one in around 320. OPK, previous winner, and I'm looking to make it a winner again. FCEL. All right, better than expected news. You get a double top, doesn't break the $2 resistance here. So watch FCEL because I think the overall trend is going to be up on this one, and it has the ability to trade very nicely. So I'll be looking to pick up shares of FCEL either just below the $2 range if it looks like the trend is starting to get bullish. You can see that the volume's coming back in, but this was a result of the good news. I'm not sure that this type of volume is going to keep up in the short term, so I'm looking for a sideways consolidation pattern. And if these shares start to test this top trend line, then any positive news by the company could force a breakout, and that would be excellent to be in before that or be watching for it and trading it. Support here, if it pulls back, I'll look to pick up shares there. You can see price action. So anything in around the $1.60 range now that the company has released better than expected news could mean profits in the near future. FCEL, and last but not least, HEK is a stock that I'm not necessarily looking to trade because I already put it out. Ascending triangle, you got your top trend line right there. I drew the trend line in through here, and we caught the break to the upside right there. So a lot of people won on this one. We know that the news is expected on the 14th. It was a run-up play, so we don't know whether or not it's going to pop to the upside or pull back on that news. Nonetheless, it already won for us. And just a little bit of history here, an ascending triangle, trough 1, trough 2, trough 3. Anytime you have a top trend line like this and a period of higher lows in anticipation of good earnings, the company could break just before that. And that's exactly what we played. We played the momentum to the upside. So everybody's doing well on this one. If you want to hold it through the earnings, good luck. But know that the MACD is a little bit toppy here. You can see that the green line is about to cross the red line. That's the MACD line. This is the signal line. Anytime you get that, it's a bearish reversal sign. You can see that it happened in through here from a toppy position, and the stock went from let's see, a high of 532 all the way to a low of 476 within a 2 to 3 week period. Okay, so we're getting the same reading on the MACD right now on HEK, but again, this was a previous winner for us, so keep in consideration that the news is coming out on 14th, and that's kind of a situation where it could go in either direction. All right, 5 stocks on watch again for review. Add them to your watch list. CBP, short term, looks like it might be a trade. GASS, I'm looking to pick up in and around the 520 range. BFLY, I'm going to consolidate on this one and look for momentum in the near future. OPK, previous winner, looking to pick up shares again in and around the 320 range. And FCEL, double top at $2 or good support at $1.60 right now. I think the overall trend is going to be up. Okay, those are the 5 stocks that I have on watch, and HEK is the previous winner that you'll want to take a closer look at if you still have a position. Take it easy, everybody. I'm looking to trade today, so if I pick anything up, you'll be the first to know.